Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can add or edit your Favicon in WordPress without using any code at all. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to add or edit your Favicon, you have to log into your admin account here on WordPress, and then on the dashboard you can see that you can view below the main menu settings and general. Go right here to this page and click on that. Now you can also edit or add your Favicon site icon right here below appearance and customize. I will show you right now. And just here you can change the site icon. Let's say for an example I take my own picture and put it right here above on this tab. Let's take this one and just set it as a site icon just for laugh, save changes, and then I will show you how it's done. Here also I can make the site identity changes like logo and the site icon, but now I want to do it from the settings and the general settings. And now as you can see above, there's my own picture on the Favicon, on the site icon, on this tab, and every user can see that on every page on the website. And this is how it's done. Let's take it back, change the site icon. Of course, the suggested image dimensions are 512 by 512 pixels. So just pay attention to that and just make sure you make it a square, a perfect square. I'll choose the site icon again and save the changes. And that's it. As you saw, it's very easy to edit or add your new Favicon to your WordPress site. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.